Welcome to your new home. We hope you'll be really happy here. We've put together a few pointers to help you get set up and settled in your home and to let you know how we will help you to maintain your home. When you receive your keys, your gas and electricity may not be turned on. The default supply will automatically be provided by British Gas. However, it is your decision who your provider will be. You will need to decide on an energy supplier and contact them to arrange for your supplies to be connected and put in your name. Take meter readings to be able to give your new supplier. Once you've done this, we'd like you to contact us in order for us to arrange for your gas and heating to have a final check and be switched on. If you have a prepayment meter, you'll need to ensure there is credit on both the electricity and gas meters in order for the check to be completed. Once this is completed, you'll need to arrange for a gas-safe plumber to connect your gas cooker or a qualified electrician to connect your electric cooker. It would be a good idea at this point to make sure you know where your electric fuse box, gas meter and stop tap are in your home. If ever there's a leak, it's important to know how to isolate these services. Some homes are fitted with switches like these, which will turn off your water. Otherwise, look for the stop tap, which is usually located under the kitchen sink or in the bathroom. This will be checked before you receive your keys, but it is always a good idea to double check it to make sure it disconnects your water supply. Ensure you know how all your electrical switches work, as some sockets have isolator switches. We've already mentioned that you'll need to buy furniture and carpets, etc. But please keep in mind, if you're looking to lay laminate flooring or erect an aerial or sky dish, you will need to gain permission from us before you do this. If you're planning to do any alterations, however small you may think they are, it would be a good idea to consult with your local estate office just to check before carrying out the work. Staff at your local housing office are on hand to give you further advice. As a responsible landlord, we will keep your home in good repair and carry out annual checks on essential items such as the central heating system. We'd like you to report any repairs required to your home as soon as possible to avoid any possible further damage. In return, we'll offer you a suitable appointment for the repair to be carried out. We offer various ways for you to report your repairs. You can call our Housing Service Centre and speak to a customer advisor who'll be happy to take your repair and offer advice. You may report online through our website or by emailing us. You can also report emergency repairs outside of normal office hours, 24-hour service by using the same number. We will carry out repairs. However, you are responsible for the internal decoration of your home. You should also seriously consider contents insurance to ensure your belongings are covered in the event of damage. The council offers a contents insurance scheme which you can pay weekly along with your rent. If you're interested in this, please speak to a member of your local estate office who will be happy to advise you, or you can visit our website for information on this scheme. We're increasingly insulating our homes better, fitting new PVC windows, doors, increased insulation, etc. However, the flip side of this is that moisture in the air is not able to evaporate as easily and can result in mould and mildew forming on ceilings and walls. It's vitally important that you use your extractor fans correctly and that you ventilate your home regularly. It's important to keep your home warm in the winter to prevent cold spots where mould can grow and remove any mould growth using a mild bleach solution.